In this video, I will show how to check which plugin are slowing down your WordPress website. So search this word P3 plugin performance profiler, then install. Then here click on activate. Now hover cursor plugins and click on plugin. After activation, hover cursor to tools, then click on P3 plugin profiler. Click Start Scan to run a performance scan of your website. So just click here. Give a name for this scan. Then click on Auto Scan. Scanning is complete. View results. So here you will see total 14 plugin. Plugin load time 0.164 and plugin impact 35%. So this is the blue one is getting the 41% on my website. So I need to find out any alternative plugin or different plugin for this work. There are some more options: detail, breakdown, simple timeline, detailed timeline, query timeline, and advanced matrix. So this is a very useful and easy to use plugin to determine and find out which plugin is slow down your website. So thanks for watching, and please share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.